Many passionate young Indians always have a question in mind that what are best small business ideas in India they can start. Here are 22 very good business ideas with low investment and high profit. On the positive note, we believe that all these small business ideas in India can be launched under 1 lakh rupees. 1. Meal services. 2. Street food joint. 3. Aquarium and fish. 4. Bakery and confectionery. 5. Airbnb. 6. Event planner. 7. Water jars. 8. Food truck. 9. Cheese manufacturing. 10. Beauty salon. 11. Cryptocurrency mining. 12. Freelancing. 13. Cooking classes. 14. Dropshipping. 15. Blogging. 16. Ad management. 17. YouTube. 18. Flipping websites. 19. Home tutoring. 20. Property reselling. 21. Massage therapy center. 22. Gym. So, we have told you all the business ideas that require less capital and be started by any middle-income or no-income person easily. If you have more ideas, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications icon. Thanks for watching the video on Startup Wonders. Visit www.startupwonders.com for more articles, blogs and insights.